Hi, Amanda here.
Hi, and I'm Kate,
Welcome.
to the National Museum of Australia for today's Fun at Home activity.
Let's start with some acknowledgements, Kate.
So I'd like to pay our respects to the traditional custodians on whose land we're on today here in Canberra, the Ngunnawal, Ngunnawal and Ngambri people. So please feel free to join in at home with the hand actions. Here is the ground which covers the land, here is the sky which covers the land, and here are our hearts which care for the land. Welcome.
Welcome. Kate,
Yes, Amanda.
I think I just saw some pigs in the garden.
I think I've spotted them too.
Shall we go and have a look?
Let's.
Here's some.
Over here too.
Kate, I think it's time to make some pigs.
Let's.
Oh, here we are, Kate.
There we are. Let's get started.
We have lots of material on the table today because we're going to make some
Pigs.
pigs.
Oink, oink.
What have we got?
Well, we have some felt,
Great. And some other types of fabric.
got some scissors, pins, needles.
Got some fabric pens. You might want to use them.
What about a bit of glue? Thread.
And these make really good eyes.
They do indeed.
Some buttons.
Fantastic. Let's get started.
Okay, why are we making pigs? Because most of the things we've made in the past have connected something that we have in our collection. Why would we make a pig?
That's true. This is a very special pig, and it brought along to a young child called Erin Craig, and she travelled on a ship with her mother across to the US, and when she was on that ship she won a prize, and that prize was this toy pig.
We have lots of toys in our collection that tell us a lot about kids' stories and what their life has been in Australia. So Erin's story is a lovely story of migration.
Let's get started.
Let's get started. So where do we start, Kate?
Okay, so we're going to start by downloading the template, which is available on our website. Cut out the template. It'll have two pieces, and as you can see here, I've attached them to my felt already. So I've doubled over the felt, so you've got the two pieces together, and you've just pinned it on.
So Kate, I've already cut mine out, so you end up with two little piggies.
That's right, yep.
I've got to cut out my ears. Okay. What do we do now, Kate?
Well, now we're going to stitch it together. So grab your thread, tie a double knot in it, and then just simply doing an overhand stitch. So over the edge and through the pig,
Great.
and back over again. So you're just doing the ends. Now, tip with this is keep your thread short, okay? Then you're less likely to get it knotted, and starting at the tail, okay?
So we need a gap at the top.
That's
so don't
right.
sew it all the way around because we need to do something to finish our pig. What do we need to do?
So we're going to stuff it at the very end. Another good tip is make sure you get the ears and the tail on first if you're going to add those pieces on. So you might have some material at home you can use to stuff. I've got some stuffing here. Just shove it in, and then once it's in, sew again the same stitch over the end and tie it off. So here's my little pink pig. There's the tail, and I've just sewn up the end with his two little ears. Might though add some eyes to this one, so I'm actually going to attach these buttons to make some beady little eyes.
I made this little piglet at home already. I think I'm going to leave him without a tail and without eyes because I think it looks cute. But when you get home and you look on your website, we've actually got a template for a very big pig as well. If you want to make a big one, you could get an adult person to help you sew it. There's other things you can do. I'm going to glue, I've got one started here, Kate, and I'm going to glue some more flowers on.
Oh, fantastic.
So if you don't feel like sewing, use some glue.
Now I might have a go also at getting some fabric pens, and this is another simple version. Cut out a piece of material and you can use the fabric pens to decorate your pig.
Okay, Kate, do you have a pig joke?
I do have a pig joke, Amanda. How did you know?
You've always got a joke.
What do pigs do on nice days?
What do pigs do on nice days? I don't know.
They take a picnic.
So we're going to keep working here today, but have a look at our Fun at Home online, because you might want to get some clues and some ideas to actually make your own pig at home. After we're finished sewing though, Kate, shall we go on a picnic?
I think so.
It's a shame we don't have a pink caravan to go on a holiday with.
Maybe that's the next program. See ya.
Thanks everyone, we're going to keep
Bye.
working.